Alright, what's happening, traders? Welcome again back to another weekly analysis of Victor. So right now, let's quickly break down the chart. As you guys can see on my screen, you can obviously see that this is Euro USD on a weekly time frame. You guys know my strategy. I come on a higher time frame, then I break the chart down all the way down to a lower time frame to look forward the opportunities to follow the trend with and to make money. As you guys know, if you had watched my previous video, you know that I actually called long on Euro USD, and we actually went very long from around there. Let's quickly break down the chart. So from the longest, Euro USD it has been falling. Euro USD has been on a downtrend. It has been bleeding for a while now, and it has actually been forming some reversal pattern, which is actually clear. You can see a double bottom formation around here. If you go on a monthly time frame, you'll see it clearly. I'm going to start breaking down the chart about that. Let's quickly look forward. Let's look for trading opportunity this new week. And now we can actually make money from the forex market. Alright, so on Euro USD, guys, I actually call long on Euro USD. As you guys can see, Euro USD has been in a range, it has been in this diamond range for a while now, and this is a very dangerous place to trade as a trader. But once I saw Euro USD break of this diamond trend line, so like this, and I saw a retest around here, I long Euro USD. So let's quickly look for buying opportunity. As you guys know, the market move from zone to zone. So as market has broken out of this particular support, this particular rectangle is what is heading all the way to this place. And as you guys know, I hold my trade for a very long time, and the market just can't go like this. As you know, the market just can't go all the way straight down. The market will to consolidate and will stack in more position. And I'm very happy to announce you that I'll also be here to call in the consolidation to carry this market all the way to the upside. Let's quickly look for trade opportunity for the main time. So when you know the major direction of the market, is about to reverse and about to head back to the upside. The dollar is weak right now, so let's quickly look for buying opportunity, right? So let's quickly scale lower to actually see it better. Let me delete this. So let's quickly scale lower to actually look for clear direction on where the market is actually headed. So we can see this trend line actually forming, this inner trend line that's actually forming nicely here. You can see this inner trend line actually form, and market has been respecting it. Now I feel that market is about to come and respect this inner trend line again. So on my previous video, if you guys watch my previous video, you know I called long on Euro USD around here. I called long on Euro USD, and we've actually been in some massive profit. Though the market is yet to hit our first level target. Okay, I think market. Okay, dude, this is our first level target around here. So market is yet to hit our first level target. It's actually a little bit. It does a few pips shy of our first level target, but I know we'll definitely get there. So what am I waiting for Euro USD right now? I actually wait for Euro USD to actually retest this trend line around somewhere here. My Euro USD is actually going to retest this trend line forward to continue on its direction. So right now Euro USD, let's just wait for let's wait for a retest of this particular trend line. I can actually put a particular rectangle there, but let's just wait for a retest of this particular trend line. Once you see a nice retest of this trend line, you long on Euro USD. As you know, our first level target of this year, and I've actually been in some profit on this pair. I actually called long on this pair from around here. If you watch my previous video, I called long on this pair from around here. We banked on a lot of profit. I still called long again at the break of this particular resistance. Still called long again. So right now Euro USD, I actually made some amount of money on USD. I'm still on Euro USD buy, and let's quickly go to another pair. So we know that Euro USD wants to come and test this particular trend line forward, heading all the way to the upside. And once we see a break of this 100 level 100% retracement and retest, we are going all the way to the sky. The sky is the limit, guys. And as you guys know, we're heading all the way back to this zone here. It actually takes some time, but it's definitely going to be worth it because of the profit is going to be massive. So let's quickly go to another pair, ASAP. So on GBP USD, it's also the same. It's also likewise. Let's quickly, as you guys can see on GPUSD, the previous resistance has actually been broken on GPUSD, and that's actually been respecting this particular trend line. GBPUSD as well, that's also been bleeding for a while now. I'm not ready to scale all the way up. I'm not ready to scale to a higher time frame to show you guys, but let's quickly look for what trading opportunity over here. What am I looking for on GBPUSD? We're looking for a major consolidation on GBPUSD. As GBPUSD has broken out of this, we're supposed to see a retest around here. So before the GBPUSD was headed all the way back to the upside, but GBPUSD has successfully smashed our first level target, which is our 100% retracement, and now it's headed for what? It's headed for the sky. It's headed for our next key zone, which is our second level target, like around here. So that's what I have on GBPUSD. We're also waiting for a major consolidation on GBPUSD. Once you can see is a nice pullback on GBPUSD to come and touch this outer trend line, what will long it again all the way to the upside. I'm actually still on GBPUSD buy. I'm still on GBPUSD buy. My positions were around here. You can watch my previous video to see the reason why my positions were there. So let's quickly. I was analyzing CHFPS last week, but I'm actually out of CHFPS. They are driving me crazy, and I don't understand what I'm seeing on the chart. So let's quickly analyze gold, guys. Let's quickly analyze gold. I don't want to make this video too long. So on gold, in my previous video was we saw a breakout of this place, and it has smashed our first level target. As you guys can see here, it has smashed our first level target. My positions were around here. Was it here? My positions were around here. It has smashed our first level target, and it's still heading all the way to the upside. Gold actually been on a bull run right now, but we're waiting for gold to come and do a major consolidation all the way down to about $2,000 per ounce. But gold is still doing its thing. It's still doing good. But right now, let's just quickly look for how we can actually enter this market and look for trading opportunity. So this market actually been buying for a while, and as you guys know, for every impulse move, there will always be a consolidating move. So we're actually waiting for gold to bleed to the downside, but at the same time, gold is still stalling up here. So what am I doing on gold? I will just have to sit on my hands. I will have to wait for gold to actually break out of this particular trend line that's holding. And once I see a breakout of this particular trend line, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a breakout of this particular trend line and a retest before I was short gold all the way to the downside. So I'm actually going to trade gold this week. I'm not going to trade gold this week, but let's just see what is going to happen. And if anything happened during the week and I'm not able to call it on my YouTube channel, I will definitely call it for my Telegram channel subscribers. So this is a shout out. If you haven't subscribed to my Telegram channel, do so now. The link will definitely be in the description of this video. Just do so at the end of this particular video. So as you guys can see, I also want to take just few seconds from this analysis. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you're a new viewer, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now, and it helps the channel grow. It helps more people see this channel. So let's quickly analyze BTC USD. So BTC USD, BTC USD actually stopped me out for a loss. I was on a loss on BTC USD, and I'm very sorry for those that also took the trade, but I hope risk management also it will pay out for us, it will pan out for us. And I actually took a loss on BTC USD. I wanted to short this market. I actually short this market. I'm very sorry about that. I short this market. If you draw this trend, if you draw this Fibonacci. In our previous video, we drew this Fibonacci from swing high all the way to swing low. We wanted BTC to consolidate. You can check the motive of this sell trade I did on BTC in my previous video. We actually wanted BTC to consolidate back down all the way down to about 44k, but BTC was stalling in this range, and the Fibonacci was playing nicely, but BTC was stalling in this range before it actually broke out, and my sell positions were somewhere. My sell position was somewhere here. And my stop position was above here. So before I knew it, BTC was just struck out of my stop loss and took me out for a loss. But that's just about a few percentage, a tiny percentage of my account. So my risk management is actually top notch. So what am I trying to say here? BTC US is actually also stalling. It's also stalling, but I'm still seeing BTC already coming all the way down towards 44k. It's coming all the way down to 44k before actually rallying for a massive bull run all the way back to what 100k. So I'm waiting for BTC already to do a thing, to just BCS. I'm very sure BCS is still going to what come all the way down to 44k. As you guys can see, this Fibonacci playing out nicely from A to B to C. Now BCS is not respecting this C. It has currently broken out of this C, but it's just actually fulfilling some technical levels which we are not actually seeing right now. But I'm very sure BTC is what is this. Okay, I can actually see something here. If we, let's see BTC break above this resistance. If BTC should break above this resistance, we know that what BTC is not selling anymore. Let's see BTC break above this resistance in the coming days, and we'll actually maybe buy this pair. If we see a breakout and a retest, something like this, a breakout and a retest, we'll buy this pair all the way all the way to this particular key level. So but if BTC does not break, if it comes all the way down, it starts coming down, then we're going to show this pair all the way down to 44k. And again, I might not be able to come. This trade might actually trigger during the week, but if you are in my Telegram channel, you can actually take this trade with me, and we're actually going to make some money together. So let's quickly check the last pair on our ends, which is what SP500. The S&P 500 has actually also been in market for a while, and it's a very, very significant pair too. So let's quickly check out what we have on S&P 500. I really don't straight. I have not actually analyzed S&P 500 on my YouTube channel, but let's quickly see. Let's analyze this thing from ground up. So from the longest, we've seen S&P 500 was making new highs. And if we take this fib from swing low to swing high, we can see S&P 500 taking a leap of faith, breaking above the minus 0.2 retracement bar. S&P 500 is respecting this Fibonacci quite nicely, and we can actually see our sweet key level actually forming about here. So what am I waiting for in S&P 500? S&P 500 might actually come for a massive consolidation, at least all the way to the third touch of this trend line. But at the same time, we don't want to be taking our chances, because we actually are just trying to analyze the chart. We don't actually know what is going to actually happen. So let's quickly check out S&P 500. It's actually on a buy trend right now. It's actually on a buy trend. So what am I saying on S&P 500? It might actually want to come and touch this particular key level before heading for a consolidation. So what am I saying in S&P 500? We can actually buy this particular, what's it called? What's this again? This particular indices pair, whatever. We can actually go for a bull run on it. We can actually buy it, but we also have to look for particular place where the market will actually pull back into for us to buy this trade. So as you can see, the market is breaking higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. Now the market is about to make a higher high. So what am I waiting for? S&P 500. This pair is actually a very, very volatile pair. It's a very, very, very volatile pair, and you don't want to be messing with S&P 500. Actually predicted, I didn't call this on my YouTube channel, but on my Telegram channel they saw that I predicted that S&P 500 I pull back into this particular support before actually heading back. And obviously, as you guys can see, S&P 500 actually did fake out of this particular support before heading back to the upside. So before we actually trade this very, very volatile and dangerous pair, we have to wait for a break of this particular resistance. Once we see a break above this particular resistance and a retest, trust me, we're actually going to a break and retest. We're actually going to buy this pair at least all the way to this key level. And as you guys know, the spread on S&P 500 is actually very high, and you don't want to be messing with it. But if your risk management is top notch, trust me, you're going to bang some amount of money on S&P 500. So I'm so glad you guys tune into my weekly analysis. It's actually taking a while for my chat to load. I'm also using this medium to also tell you guys to also subscribe to my Telegram channel and if you're a new viewer, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we have already seen our weekly analysis for this week. I don't want to make this video too lengthy because I'm sure you guys have other things to do during the week. So what we have to wait for is we have to wait for a break and a retest of this particular resistance before we actually buy this pair all the way here. So thank you guys, that's my time. Thanks so much for tuning in. So see you on my next video.